Here's what crypto leaders are saying about Trump's crypto reserve plans. U.S. President Donald Trump stormed the crypto world on Sunday night with the announcement of a crypto strategic reserve plan that includes XRP, Cardano's ADA and Solana's SOL, later adding Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, to the mix. Trump has been discussing the idea of a strategic crypto reserve since his 2024 presidential campaign. Soon after taking office in January, he signed an executive order directing a working group to evaluate the formation of a strategic crypto reserve, but the order did not explicitly mandate that the U.S. establish one outright. The order said the Digital Assets Working Group should evaluate the potential creation and maintenance of a national digital asset stockpile. Trump said on Sunday that the group should move forward with formally establishing the reserve. The working group will host a summit on Friday with crypto industry and government representatives. That instantly riled up markets as ADA and XRP shot up as much as 60% and Bitcoin reversed a chunk of last week's losses with a move above the $93,000 level. Traders cautioned against increasing exposure to the market after the sudden move as concrete details on the reserve are finalized, with all eyes on the first-ever White House Crypto Summit scheduled for March 7. While traders remain focused on prices, here's what crypto industry leaders say about the long-term implications and impact of the possible strategic reserve plans. I imagined a strategic reserve would be just Bitcoin. That makes the most sense to me. Many crypto assets have merits, but what we're talking about here isn't a U.S. investment portfolio, we're talking about a reserve, and Bitcoin is the undisputed store of value for the digital age. Of course, I'm grateful the new administration is so constructive on the space. I look forward to learning more about thinking here. I've said this before, the crypto industry will achieve our goals and beyond if we work together. Appreciate the crypto president at Real Donald Trump's vision of a government digital asset reserve representative of the industry. Maximalism is the enemy of the industry's progress. Glad to see POTUS recognizing we live in a multi-chain world and that we're finally moving past Bill Hinman and the Biden administration's SEC's very broken thinking. I will certainly continue to champion this while in Washington at the end of this week. Excited to learn more. Still forming an opinion on asset allocation, but my current thinking is 1. Just Bitcoin would probably be the best option, simplest, and clear story as successor to gold. 2. If folks wanted more variety, you could do a market cap weighted index of crypto assets to keep it unbiased. But probably option number 1 is easiest. I get the rationale for a Bitcoin reserve. I don't agree with it, but I get it. We have a gold reserve. Bitcoin is digital gold, which is better than analog gold. So let's create a Bitcoin reserve too. But what's the rationale for an XRP reserve? Why the hell would we need that? Nothing new here. Just words. LMK when they get congressional approval to borrow money and or revalue the gold price higher. Without that they have no money to buy #Bitcoin and #shitcoins. This move signals recognition of cryptocurrency's value and contribution to the national economy, their role in economic strategy, and the growing recognition of blockchain's potential to drive innovation in the global shift to a digital economy. The U.S. crypto reserve could play an important role in stabilizing volatility, providing legitimacy, and democratizing access to crypto assets. It could also pave the way for clearer regulatory guidelines, which key industry players have long advocated. Historically, strategic reserves have significantly driven demand for commodities like crude oil and gold. Institutional and central bank interest in gold led to a 26% price increase in 2024, and a similar effect could be seen for crypto assets with strong technological foundations and real-world applications. We are surprised to see digital assets other than Bitcoin included in the strategic reserve as they differ significantly in nature. Unlike Bitcoin, which serves as a fixed supply asset that can help hedge against a depreciating fiat currency, these assets are akin to tech investments. The announcement suggests a more patriotic stance toward the broader crypto technology space with little regard for the fundamental qualities of these assets. President Trump's strategic reserve announcement was intriguingly timed, dropping on a Sunday against a battered market backdrop and highlighting XRP, ADA, and SOL before BTC and ETH. While most expected a Bitcoin-only approach, this pivot underscores digital assets' multidimensional potential, paving the way for advanced settlement solutions and bridging global finance. It's a strategic move that could forge new partnerships and inspire more robust infrastructure for large-scale adoption. Call it a Trump index fund or a U.S. index fund, it showcases the versatility and resilience of this evolving market. This move sets a powerful precedent for the future of digital finance, proving there's room at the table for a variety of tokens and technologies. Read more, Crypto Daybook Americas. Trump's reserve shock revives cautious $100,000 BTC. Hope this is a running list of comments from crypto industry leaders updated regularly.